Stop the madness. And they are pouring in droves to Naples Paradise, you guys. 2020, as we entered 21, what a crazy, crazy time. Many of us were talking about what was going to go on as things started opening up, and there was more travelers from Canada and internationally as a whole. But stop the madness. It's getting crowded here in Naples, y'all. So why are people coming in Naples in droves? I mean, could it be the fact that it's sunny all the time? I mean, it's just an incredible area to be for the sunshine. Things here are clean, new, so it's fresh, depending on where you're coming from. It's a really, really clean town. I'm originally from Philadelphia, so it was when I moved here many years ago, almost 20 years ago. One of the things I loved about it was just how clean and fresh it was here. There's so many fun things to do nowadays too from before when I came here. So there's Uptown Mercado for those of you who are visiting or getting ready to come down to look at property. Mercado is kind of the new version of what still exists downtown on Fifth Avenue. Great place to walk around, shops and dining. Fifth Avenue is still phenomenal, wonderful restaurants, just a lot of great places to go. You can do Segway tours. I think we're ranked #1 still as the happiest place to live. So that could be, could that be another reason why they're coming here in droves? So it has been a little bit maddening. There's been some madness this year as we went into 2021, 2022, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun seeing people out enjoying the sunny paradise where we live here on the Paradise Coast in Southwest Florida. I am Dr. Ron Repice, your real estate doctor with Coastal Intl Properties, focusing on luxury real estate in Southwest Florida. So we really love it here. We like to answer questions. I'll give you some information on how to reach us. Of course, the #1 reason people love to come here is the unbelievable weather. We have the beautiful white sandy beaches, amazing, amazing sunsets for people that really enjoy that as well. Obviously, the Gulf Coast temperature is warm most year round, unlike when I used to go to the New Jersey shore where you could hardly ever get in up there. We call it the ocean. We call it the Gulf here, but in the ocean up north, it was usually cold and difficult to navigate. Boating, I just got rid of my wave runner not long ago, but the jet skiing, parasailing, boating is really, really popular here. The restaurants and fine dining, something you'll find readily available in a plethora, I would say. There's tons and tons and tons of restaurants and really fun places to go to. For the ladies, being a little bit biased, but there's tons of shopping for the men, women, and children around, and boutiques that you can have a really good time. So there's just so many things you can do, to enjoy the town. The family fun areas, we have the Sun and Fun Lagoon that opened many years ago, but that's a great place where they have the water slides, things you can do with your kids, and even the adults love it. The high dives, the high curly water slides, the lazy river. That's a really great place to visit. The Naples Zoo is something else to check out too. They've really improved that. So the Naples Zoo is a great place to come and spend a day there and look at some of the attractions. They've really done a great job. So the Naples Zoo is a good stopping point too. The Botanical Gardens is another place. Sometimes I forget about that. The Botanical Gardens, especially around Christmas time, the lighting, it's just amazing. See all I guess you call it the horticulture. So it's just a great place to check out the Botanical Gardens. And also, 4th of July and different holidays. 4th of July, the firework display is down on the Naples Pier. So the Naples Pier, you can fish there. They actually pull some amazing, they do some great fishing out there. I'm not a fisherman, but they do some really great fishing. It's a lot of fun. I used to take my kids. I have the 2 teenagers, a little older than that picture up there, but they're 15 and 17 now. But I used to take them with the little kiddies fishing rods and things. And so you can do that down off the Naples Pier. Such a great area to spend the day also and visit right on the beach there. So there's all those different things you can do. The other thing too that people are really looking at is the financial aspect. Of course, we have the Homestead Act here. So that helps to limit property taxes. That's something really wonderful that we have here to help keep some price control when you come down here and buy a home, or if you have an existing home. We also have no state income tax. as well. So another reason people are traveling here, no state income tax. And we also have no state inheritance tax. So these are just some great things that are added advantages as to why people are starting to relocate from all over the country and all over the world. Naples is definitely a travel destination for sure. Even the people over in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, West Palm, they still come over and visit. Just our sandy beaches are beautiful. We're very close to Sarasota. We're not all that far to Walt Disney World. So you can see so many different attractions. In fact, the inverse there, if I want to take a trip over to Miami again, in the other direction, it's not even a 2-hour ride to shoot across the alley and get there as well. Please like and subscribe. This is the Dr. Ron, your real estate doctor YouTube channel. We're going to be providing a lot of different topics on health and well-being as well, finance, and a lot of real estate tips and topics to help you there making some decisions. So you can click the like button would be great. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. That'd be fantastic. You can reach me or text over to 239-331-5886, 239-331-5886. If you have any questions, you can comment or post comments below. It'd be fantastic. Anything that you have thoughts on. But I look forward to bringing different types of videos. We'll try and make the content interesting. This is kind of a short one, just some basic overviews of some things. There's many families wondering about Naples, Florida, and it has been a little crazy. That's why I use the term "stop the madness." But all in all, it's been an amazing season. We're moving into the June timeframe. It'll quiet down a little bit, so for us year-rounders, restaurants become lighter. So it's just a little quieter. So it's kind of nice. Anyway, I am Dr. Ron Repice II with Coastal Intl Properties with your Real Estate Doctor channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tidbit, and we will be back to you soon. And thank you for everything, and God bless. We're going to sign off now.